In this video I'm going to give you all the tips and recipes you need to kickstart your keto diet with delicious, low-carb high-fat keto smoothies. For someone just starting out on the keto diet, I always suggest making things as simple as possible. The easier it is to reach your macros, to get full, to prepare meals, the better. The easier you make sticking to keto, and the more complexity you can cut out of it, the better you'll be able to stick with it in the long term. In the short term this is even more important, as most people tend to drop out pretty quickly when hunger pangs and cravings kick in. When I'm hungry and feeling lazy, those are the times I come closest to cheating and reaching for some carby snacks. They're just too easy. I can be eating in seconds, putting hunger at bay and satisfying my cravings, but now I've fallen off the keto wagon. That's where keto smoothies come in. They're easy too, and delicious, and most importantly keto-friendly. With a half-decent blender and a few of the right ingredients in the fridge, I can beat my keto cravings and be drinking a low-carb snack in seconds. How to make a keto smoothie. So many smoothies people love nowadays are sugar bombs in disguise. Often people pack smoothies with fruit, which are of course full of great minerals, vitamins and nutrients. But they're also packed full of sugar. Making a decent keto smoothie without the sugar hit takes a little different thinking, and results in some delicious high-fat, low-carb smoothies and shakes still packed with flavor and nutrition. It's definitely worth investing in a high-powered blender rather than a regular mixer if you're going to be making a lot of smoothies. Especially if you'll be making some vegetable-laden green smoothies, you're going to want something with a bit more power. A lot of people go for the classic NutriBullet for these purposes, but I personally went for this Nutri Ninja Auto IQ, mainly because I'm lazy and like being able to walk away whilst it blends. These things get noisy. 1. Begin with a fat base. The ingredient in a keto smoothie has got to be the fat base, as we're trying to reach specific keto macros over the course of the day, aiming for 70% plus of our day's calories to be coming from fats. You've got a few good options to get a big hit of fat into your smoothie. My personal favorite is nut butters, like peanut butter and almond butter. This comes down to my previous chocolate milk addiction pre-keto and my desire to find a keto alternative. Chocolate and nut butters just go together so well. Coconut milk is another great choice, with a delicate sweet flavor and creamy consistency. I always suggest watching the calories with coconut milk in your smoothie, as putting in a whole can in your smoothie equates to about 750 calories. For a woman trying to lose weight, that could amount to more than half of your day's calorie intake in one hit. You can also add heavy cream or even cream cheese in a similar manner, although I personally try to avoid too much dairy. I eat a lot of cheese. Cream cheese really thickens and gives a creamy texture to a smoothie, although does have a distinctive taste, which is why I save this addition for my cheesecake flavor smoothie recipes. Avocado is a brilliant addition for some added fats, and I'm not just saying that because I'm a born-again avocado fanatic. I am. Avocados are a great, healthy fat to add to just about anything, with a bunch of healthy monounsaturated fats, as well as plenty of minerals, vitamins and fiber. I'm always trying to add more avocado to my diet. Here's a list with some great keto avocado recipes you could try adding to yours. Finally, for an extra boost without affecting the flavor or texture of your keto smoothie, you can add in some MCT oil like this one for an easy macro boost. 2. Pick your primary flavor combo. This is where you can really go wild. It's best to think about what will go well with your fat base. Most of the fats above are relatively neutral, but it's best to think about what will pair well. For instance, if I go for a vegetable-based, green smoothie, I probably wouldn't pair it with a milky, creamy fat base. Instead I'd go for either avocado or some MCT oil. To keep things as healthy as possible, I'd add as many veggies as possible, spinach, kale etc. Or if you're trying to combat your sweet tooth, go for some low-carb fruit such as blueberries, blackberries, strawberries or raspberries, although you will need to keep an eye on how much you add. If you're after something a little more indulgent, then chocolate and nut butter go hand in hand, my personal favorite. Using 100% raw cacao powder actually brings some good health benefits. Combine that with some almond butter and you're golden. 3. Try adding some flavor, health, texture enhancers. There are 100 extra additions you can add to a smoothie once you've got the bulk ingredients in. I often like to add cinnamon in place of extra sweetener in a lot of smoothies, and it comes with a bunch of health benefits. Ginger and other spices are great too. Try adding a little chili tea turmeric smoothie below. Adding in some texture is a good idea, in particular try to add some fiber to your smoothie where possible. Not getting enough fiber is often one of the main criticisms for a keto diet. That's why I love adding avocado, but you should also try adding seeds, especially chia seeds, coconut flakes, chopped nuts, cacao nibs and anything else high in fiber but low carb. Other healthy additions include turmeric. I based a whole smoothie around this extra healthy spice, spirulina, cacao, herbs. 4. Add protein if you're working out on keto. The answer is so long as the macros make sense, yes. Whilst you don't want to overconsume protein on the keto diet, due to the risk of it bumping you out of ketosis, you do need about 15% of your calorie intake to come from protein. If you're exercising and working out whilst on a keto diet, then you may need more protein. Check out this keto exercise guide for some advice on how to tweak your macros to suit your exercise level. If you do want to add some protein into the mix, watch the label on whatever protein powder you're using for added sugar or excessive use of artificial sweeteners. Collagen peptide protein powder is a great addition. This collagen protein powder from Perfect Keto, get 15% off with code APERFECT15, is an ideal protein plus fat combo to add with a focus on being keto friendly. The best keto smoothies. Here are some of my personal favorite keto smoothie recipes, many built using the principles above. If you're looking to keep your fat intake high but don't have much of a sweet tooth, then try something like these savory fat bombs instead. Enjoy! Chocolate plus collagen keto smoothie. This powerhouse of a smoothie from Have Butter Will Travel makes use of chocolate and collagen protein powder from Perfect Keto for a delicious keto smoothie that's especially great after exercise, with the added benefit of collagen protein. This powder comes with a bunch of extra nutrition as well as MCT oil to help keep this smoothie fat heavy. Avocado is a great extra addition here to thicken the drink and give a little boost to the fats, nutrition and fiber content of the drink. Turmeric breakfast keto smoothie. This is one of my own favorite keto smoothies from here on IEATKeto.com. Turmeric is a brilliant, healthy addition to your diet, with its active ingredient curcumin being particularly beneficial as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. I use coconut milk as the fat base for this as it complements the spiced flavor. You can even blend a tiny touch of chili into this to boost your metabolism. As with all meals on the keto diet, it's important to consider the amount of fiber you're consuming, as people tend to get a lot of fiber from the carbs they eat. That's why a generous sprinkling of chia seeds is a good idea for any smoothie for good digestive health. Chocolate peanut butter keto shake. Chocolate and peanut is probably my favorite combo of all, and this simple low-carb smoothie from Low Carb Yum fits the bill perfectly. It's a combo that conjures up childhood treats, or in my case, treats at all ages, but made with 100% raw cacao and a good quality peanut butter powder. This is indulgent without the sugar hit. Be sure to use a good quality unsweetened peanut powder as per the recipe, or like me go for the real deal with some palm oil-free, unsweetened peanut butter for a better fat to carb ratio. Cinnamon almond butter breakfast shake. Following on from peanut butter and chocolate, this almond butter breakfast shake from Keto Connect is another great nut butter combo. This one uses collagen peptide protein, making it great for a post-workout keto shake, and uses golden flax meal for a fiber boost. They also recommend using a little salt in your keto smoothies, which is a great tip to really enhance the flavor. Low-carb beetroot smoothie. This brilliant beetroot keto smoothie from Fat for Weight Loss uses beetroot powder, MCT and coconut milk for a delicious keto shake. The nitric acid in beetroot is proven to improve endurance on long runs, as seen in this paper. Try drinking this smoothie 30 minutes before a long run for a performance boost. Go for a good quality beetroot powder for this, such as this one. Blueberry ginger keto smoothie. This blueberry keto smoothie from Keto Summit goes great with ginger, with both ingredients being great superfoods packed with nutrition, antioxidants and other health benefits. This uses coconut milk and MCT oil as the fat base, which go great with most fruits. If you're including fruits in your smoothies, you need to be mindful of the extra sugars found in certain fruits. Stick with berries like blueberry, blackberry and raspberry to keep the carb count down.